Struggling to build a better sleep routine? SleepTown Pro promises to make it easier, but does it actually work? I tested it, and here's my full experience. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a bedtime tracker, but SleepTown Pro gamifies healthy sleep habits. You set your sleep schedule, and every night you successfully stick to it. You build virtual buildings in the app, miss a night, and the building fails. This simple game mechanic keeps you motivated to follow your routine. The interface is fun and intuitive, making it easy to track your sleep times and view your progress. The app also gives insights into your sleep streaks, average bedtime, and overall consistency. I found that just seeing a streak of completed nights pushed me to go to bed earlier consistently. The surprising truth is that SleepTown Pro's approach isn't just motivational, it subtly reinforces good habits without overwhelming you with complex sleep metrics or data overload. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who struggles with consistency. The downside? If you want detailed sleep analysis like REM cycles or heart rate monitoring, this isn't the app for you. Also, some users may lose interest once they build all the virtual buildings, so long-term engagement may vary. In conclusion, SleepTown Pro is an excellent tool for creating a consistent sleep routine. It turns healthy habits into a fun game, making it easier to stick to bedtime goals and improve overall sleep hygiene. If building a healthy sleep routine has been a struggle, this app is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest sleep and health app reviews so you can improve your rest, habits, and overall well-being.